Hi students, how are you? Yesterday we did this problem less than frequency. Now we will move forward to another question. Fourth question, calculation of median from the following data. Just look this one. Here the series that the values they have given, that is more than value. More than 10, more than 20, more than 30, more than 40, more than 50, more than 60, more than 70, more than 80. Frequency 150, 103, 88, 68, 43, 23, 13, 3. Okay. If you observe, you will see the frequency is decreasing. Okay, it is in descending order. Now we will move forward and solve this question. Now first thing what we have to do is class interval. Class interval they have given, if you observe, they have given more than 10, more than 20. Okay, the first thing is the first letter what they have given, that is more than 10, more than 20. If you just look here, more than 20 they have given. First one is more than 10, more than 20. Just minus both. 20 minus 10, 10. It is more than, so we don't have to minus. Okay, 20 minus 10, 10. 10 plus 10 we have to do 20. 10 plus 20, 20 plus 30. 10 we have to add and we have to create class interval. Previous one what we have did, because it is less than frequency, so we did minus. Okay, the difference is 10, so 10 minus 10 is 0, 0 to 10 we create a class interval. Here the difference is 10, we have to add 10 plus 10, 20, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, like that we have to create class interval. Coming to class interval, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90. The frequency which we have to find out, we will write, because it is more than frequency, we will write what they have given first. For your better understanding, I will write frequency and just write all the values, frequencies they have given in the question, such as 115, 103, 88, 68, 43, 23, 13, 3. Now we have to find actual frequency. For simple reason, you can do like this as well. 115 minus 103, 12. 103 minus 88, 15. Or you can go like this way. Okay, from last 3, nothing is 3. 13 minus 3, 10. 23 minus 13, 10. 43 minus 23, 20. 25, then 20. Okay, this is the actual frequency. Now we have to find actual cumulative frequency, because it is more than previous one. What we did here, less than, they already given cumulative frequency, but here in this question they have given more than. So just remember, here more than frequency, cumulative frequency we have to find out. Now 12 plus 15, 27, 27 plus 20, 47. 47 plus 25, 72. 72, 92, 102, 112, 150. This one is actual cumulative frequency. Now what is the formula for calculating median? Median equal L plus N divided by 2 minus M divided by F into C. Like it will come here. L plus N divided by 2 minus M divided by F into C. Before going further, we have to find middle class, median class we have to find out, because we want L. L is lowest value in middle class. For calculating middle class, formula we have M equal N by 2. This N by 2. What is N? Total frequency. Just add all this frequency, we will get 115. Here N equal 115 divided by 2, 57.5. Hope you understand this one. M equal N divided by 2 is 57.5. N equal 115. What left now? L. For calculating L, that is lowest value in middle class, median class, 57.5. Where this 57.5 is lying? Just observe here. It is more than 47 and less than 72. So it is lying here, 40 to 50. This one is middle class. This one is your middle class. The lowest value will be L. Which one is lowest value? 40. I will write here only L equal 40. What left now? N divided by 2, we know 57.5. M, cumulative frequency of preceding value from middle class. This is middle class. Previous value of cumulative frequency, that is 47. We got M. F, frequency in middle class, median class. This is median class. Where is frequency? Frequency 25 will be your F. I will write here M, we know 47, F 25. This F. Okay, hope you understand this one. Now we just need to execute a formula, then we will arise to our median. Everything we know except C, median class value 50 minus 40, 10. Now we will move forward. L, we know L is 40 plus N divided by 2 57.5 minus M 47 divided by F 25 into C 10, 44.2. That is our median. Actual median will be 44.2.